Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're going to learn about Pandabuy affiliate program. So we're going to learn about the affiliate program that Pandabuy offers. This is not just about earning commissions, but mastering the art of promotion. So we're going to cover signing up to the promotion strategies. So let's dive right in. So we're going to start first by heading onto Pandabuy's website. So as you can see, this is Pandabuy's website already, and we're currently logged into our Pandabuy account. So this is what you should be able to see, and once you're already logged in, you'll just need to click onto your profile icon here, onto the upper part, and you should be able to see the user center. So you'll just have to click onto that, and then you'll get redirected onto the settings page. So here on the user center, you should be able to see different things. Now here onto the left side, you'll just need to scroll down until you could go ahead and find in the affiliates. So we'll just need to scroll down in here, and this is where you could find the affiliates onto the bottom part. So you'll just need to click onto that, and this is where we're going to go ahead and do the process for the Pandabuy affiliate program. So this is what you should be able to see right after clicking, and here in the affiliates page, this is where you could go ahead and manage all the promotion that you've garnered on your commission. So you should be able to see also in here different bonuses that Pandabuy offers. So just like this one, they have 30% bonus boost based on bonus and new affiliate shipment. So you could also see the event price for that, the affiliate system rules, and the promotion agreement. So let's go over onto the affiliate system rules here on the affiliate system rules. So you should be able to see different terms and the rules on what you need to do so that you should be able to complete the bonus on what they have in there. So you should be able to see in here the clear details on what to do, the period time for that, the notices, the invite link, or some tips on how to get your claimable bonus or why can't you get it. So there are a lot of things in here that you can learn from, and most importantly, if you scroll down here onto the bottom part, you should be able to see the rules of claimable bonus rate. So this will depend on your tier, and they have their basic bronze, silver, gold, platinum affiliate promoters. So you'll just need to go ahead and check on which one applies. Now going back here, if you scroll down further onto this one, onto the specific tab, so this is your promotion commission. So this is where you should be able to see a clear copy of your invited users, the new affiliates, the active users, and also your affiliate balance. So if you're starting out just like me, so you don't have an affiliate balance as of the moment right now, but you should be able to see also in here, and this is all withdrawable. So this one, actually you need to have 20 more active users until you can claim your active reward. So this is where you could also see your board creating earnings and your board sharing earnings. So if you want to go ahead and do a withdrawal already onto your affiliate balance, you'll just have to click here onto its right side for you to be able to set up already your bank in here, or the one that you need to have your money. You'll just need to head onto the bonus setting in here, and this is where you could set up your withdrawal account. So just select your country, and there are a lot of countries that it offers in here. So right after you have chosen a country in here, click or choose a court type, the currency, and also your name of the receiver in English, your receiver account number, name of receiving bank, and the bank outlet. And you could also add in a remark, but this is just an optional, so you'll just have to click on save, and you could go ahead and head back to your affiliate once you are done. Now, this is actually the promotion process onto Pandabuy. So this is what you'll actually do. You'll just need to share your invitation code with your friends, and when a friend places an order and receives the parcel, you get the commission for that. So the promotion method, there are actually 3 steps on how to do that. So the users who registered from your QR code or link will be funded as your affiliate users, and you should be able to see that one here onto your promotion commission. So for the first method, for you to be able to do that, just share your exclusive QR code with your friends, and when your friend enters the Pandabuy app and scans your QR code, then your friend is registered successfully and can automatically become referred user. Now for copy link, so you'll just need to go ahead and share your promotion link with friends, and when your friend enters Pandabuy by clicking the link, then your friend registers successfully and automatically become your referred user. Also, for the last step in here, just like the same with the copy link, you share your invitation code with your friend. Your friend enters Pandabuy and fills in the invitation code to register. Then your friend's registered successfully and automatically becomes your referred user. For this one, new users who successfully registered on Pandabuy using your invitation code will receive an additional 70 UN coupon pack. So just need to confirm that. So just need to choose onto which one so you can download the QR code. Just click onto that, and you could also copy the link in here or copy this invitation code. So you'll just need to choose onto which option. So for the privilege in here, so this is the bonus rate if you're not familiar with this one. So when your affiliate users have received the parcel, then Pandabuy will issue you the reward of the partial shipping fee bonus rate. So there is actually also a credit record in here. So you'll just have to click onto that and you get redirected here and you'll get redirected onto my growth base. So let's try out this method 3 in here onto the invitation code to go ahead and have someone to be our affiliate in here. So just need to copy this one again and then right after, so onto my friends and in here, we're going to go ahead and try to set up an account. So as you can see, to sign up in here, you're going to go ahead and have his here onto Pandabuy website. You'll just need to choose a country, add in your email, password, confirm, and then this is where you'll go ahead and type in the invitation code. So you'll just need to go ahead and paste it in here, enter the verification code, and once you're already set up, just click onto the checkbox that you have already read and accept the Pandabuy user registration agreement and privacy statement and just simply click onto sign up. And as you can see, since you've successfully registered already or your friend successfully registered onto Pandabuy, they will need to activate their Pandabuy account with a link that they've sent you onto the email inbox. So you just need to confirm that, and right after you've gone ahead and activated your friend's email account, so you'll just need to log in back again to your Pandabuy so you can check or see if they have already logged in. So the same thing, you could actually go ahead and head onto the user center and here and head onto affiliate spot. Here you could also go ahead and try to be one of the affiliate users. You'll just need to go ahead and read through the agreements in here, and then right after that we could go ahead and log back in onto the main account or the referrers account. So right after checking onto your friend's account or signing up in there, just go ahead onto your own account to check if the invitation code earlier has been successfully gone through. So let's head back onto your account. Now, as you can see in here, we're logging already onto the account. So the same thing we're gonna do, head back onto the profile section, onto the user center, and if you scroll down here onto the bottom part, let's head back onto affiliate. So as you can see, there is an update onto the affiliate in here. We have the promotion commission updated already, and we have one invited user and a new affiliate. So once your friend already places an order and receives their parcel, then we get to earn something from that. So our affiliate balance in here will be updated as well. So you should be able to withdraw the balance if the terms are met, and also you could go ahead and start earning here onto Pandabuy. And that's just basically it onto the Pandabuy affiliate program tutorial. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.